What is up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Appreciate y'all tuning in today. Doing another after work trip. So I've got about maybe 2.5 hours to fish. We've got a really strong south wind today, y'all. It's blowing probably 15, maybe gusting to 20. So I've definitely tucked away on a wind protected shoreline. I'm gonna be casting live shrimp and going after redfish and trout, y'all. I did bring the cooler with me today, the backpack cooler, which I'll show y'all in a little bit. So if we do get a slot red, we will keep one. That is the goal for today. Let's go put it into motion, y'all. Alrighty, my friends, the setup for today, I have got the Fenwick HMG Inshore medium light rod. That is a 7.6 rod. Pair that with my Quantum Inshore Smoke 30, spooled with 8-pound Fins Windtamer braid. I'm running a Carolina rig right now for these shrimp with 20-pound fluorocarbon. I may switch that up to a jig head if I get any line twist or anything like that, since I am using a swivel. That's really the only downside of Carolina rigs that I see. Let me know what y'all like to rig up for live shrimp. Drop a comment below. Nice big old select shrimpy that I picked up from Sailor Mike's, and we're just hooking those through the tail. That's a 3/0 owner live bait hook. Like I said, I'm running 20-pound fluorocarbon, and I've got a very small barrels bullet weight, probably less than 1/4 ounce. I'm not exactly sure what it is, and a small swivel. So the old Carolina rig. All right, y'all, just wanted to talk a little bit about why I am where I am right now, to give you guys an idea of the kind of conditions we're experiencing and what I look for when I'm planning a trip like this. So we've got an outgoing tide. It's still pretty high. It's still up over 1.5 feet. And we've got, like I said before, we've got a pretty strong south, kind of southwest wind. Wind protection is key. As you can see, we're pretty much, you know, it looks relatively calm even though the wind is howling. We've got great mangrove protection behind us, okay? Aside from that, we're in close proximity to a big, huge oyster bar. Y'all can't see it right now, it's covered by water, but that is another factor. And we stopped in an area where we're seeing jumping mullet, big jumping mullet, schools of jumping mullet, and also in proximity to some mangrove islands. We've got structure, we've got good current flow, and we've got wind protection. And we've got bait. So theoretically, the fish should be here, and that's why I'm here. We might have just got picked up. I couldn't quite tell. Yeah, we did get bit. We definitely did get bit, y'all. So we got cleaned out. It was just a sneaky redfish. Yeah, I didn't feel much of a bite, so didn't set the hook. What is going on here, y'all? Huh. All right. We got broke off. I didn't even really feel a bite, so I'm guessing shark. But yeah, he just cut through that 20-pound like it was butter. All right, we're gonna reach out here, get another shrimpy out there. Oh yeah, we just got picked up. There we go. There's something, y'all. There's a fish. I don't know what it is. Not sure. Got a little pepper to him. So do these no-see-ums, man. Jeez Louise. This feels like a redfish? I'm not sure, y'all. Really wants the mangroves though. I think it's a catfish. Yeah, it's a catty. Kitty cat. Kitty cat. Kitty, kitty cat. Yep. right, buddy. Dang old kitty, y'all. Yeet. All right, y'all, in this clip, you'll see me head over and pick up my built cooler backpack, which is pretty awesome. The things I love about it, it is spacious. You'll see me put my pack in here. It is also lightweight. It weighs about 3.5 pounds without anything in it. It will keep ice for a while. The only downfall is you really wouldn't want to keep it on your back for a prolonged trip, but you can very much cast and do anything with it on your back. I just tend to put it down after a certain point. But anyway, it's a good pack, and I recommend y'all check it out. What a beautiful day, though, y'all. Just a gorgeous day. Look at that. Boom. There we go. There's a fish, y'all. I bet you it's a lady fish. I bet you it's a lady. Unless it's a trout. Is it a trout? What are we doing here? What do we got? What do we got, y'all? We got a lady fish. We got a lady fish. Last cast. Fish. Maybe? Not sure. What is this? I'm not sure what that is. Honestly, y'all. I am not sure what that is. That's a decent fish? I really can't tell. Is that a banger trout? What is that? All right, let me get a look at this thing. I can't even stop this thing. What is it? Come here. Oh yeah, we got a red. We got a red, y'all. Oh heck. That's gonna be a slot fish too. We got our last minute slot fish, y'all. I love it. Y'all can probably barely even see this, so we'll take it up and go from there. All right. Alrighty, my friends, that was a challenging situation to film in, which is why, you didn't really get to see that redfish much at all. After that last clip, I walked him back to shore and got a measure on him. Yeah, he was a slot fish. He was just about 19 inches. So he went into the cooler backpack, and we are now going to move on to the cooking portion of the show. So stay tuned.